Do you have a textbook coming up that you can't afford? What are your options? Well, the first thing is communication with IRD is key. They are actually pretty reasonable, but the key thing is they want to know what's going on. So my first thing would be pick up the phone to your accountant so that you can work out a plan to have a conversation with IRD. Now, you could put a payment plan in place. So basically what that means is you're paying that debt off over a period of time. There will be, or most likely be, some additional charges around that in terms of penalties and interest, but if you've got a plan in place, they're definitely limited compared to if you don't have a plan in place. There are a couple of restrictions around that in terms of IRD wants all debt up to date, and obviously any new debt, they want to make sure that is paid on time. If this isn't something that you want to do, or you want a little bit more flexibility, we do have facilities like what's called Tax Management New Zealand. So basically this is a third-party service which allows you to buy tax at a different time. So basically what we can do is we can say, hey, look, you don't have the funds available at the moment, but potentially in 6, 10, 12 months time you will. And we can engage with Tax Management New Zealand that basically says we want to buy that amount of tax in 10 months time. I already know that we're doing this, so they don't hassle you saying that amount's overdue, and generally speaking the penalties and interest won't be there, but there will be a charge made by Tax Management New Zealand. So in terms of an interest charge, it's a third-party facility, so therefore that's how they make their money. The key thing about it is the interest from Tax Management New Zealand is cheaper than IRD, and sometimes cheaper than the bank, and it's easy to get. So in terms of they'll can't give it to anyone. The key thing is if you don't pay them on time, therefore it's gone and you still got to deal with IRD. So we do want to be careful how we deal with it, but it is something that is available, and we do use regularly for clients when we're dealing with cash flow. But key thing about it, we've got tax coming up that we can't pay. Let's communicate, let's plan, let's have a conversation with IRD. Any issues, any concerns, let us know, reach out, we can help you.